Use headphones and try to repeat after me. This way, you can practice both listening and speaking at the same time. But if you're not here to practice and only want to enjoy the story, you can watch this video at 2x speed.
This is the story of a man from Chennai, India. His name is Otto Anna. Anna means elder brother in Tamil language. He was not a rich man. He was not famous. He was just an ordinary auto rickshaw driver. But he did something very big. He changed the lives of many poor children. He gave them what their parents could not give. He gave them education. This is the true story of Otto Anna, a simple man with a golden heart. Otto Anna's real name was Ayyappan. He was born in Chennai. He came from a poor family. His father was a laborer. His mother worked in houses as a maid. From a young age, Ayyappan knew poverty. He saw hunger. He saw children leaving school. He saw people struggling for food. He himself studied only up to class 8. After that, he had to leave school. Why? Because his family had no money. He started working small jobs. Later, he became an auto rickshaw driver. Every morning, he took his auto. He drove passengers around Chennai. Some passengers were rich. Some were poor. Some gave him respect. Some treated him badly. His income was not much. Some days he earned 300 rupees, some days less. But he never complained. He believed, if I work hard, I can live with dignity. But deep inside, he carried pain. He always remembered how poverty stopped his own education. He wished, if I had studied, my life would be different. One day, something happened. He saw a small boy on the roadside. The boy was selling flowers. The age of the boy was only 7 or 8. Ayyappan asked the boy, "Why are you not in school?" The boy said, "My family is poor. We cannot afford school. I must earn money." These words touched his heart. He saw himself in that boy. He remembered his own lost childhood. That night, Ayyappan could not sleep. He thought and thought. Then he decided, I will not let children suffer like me. I will use my small earnings to give them education. The next day, he took the boy to a nearby school. He paid the admission fee from his own pocket. He also bought books and a school bag. The boy was very happy. He smiled with joy. That smile gave Ayyappan new energy. He decided to help more children. Slowly, he started finding more children. Poor children from slums, children of daily workers, children of housemaids. All of them wanted to study, but they had no money. One by one, he admitted them in schools. He paid their fees. He bought their uniforms. He bought their notebooks and pens. He did not have extra money, but he managed. Sometimes he worked longer hours. Sometimes he skipped his own needs. Sometimes he borrowed small amounts. But he never stopped helping. Years passed. The number of children grew. From 1 child to 5 children to 10 children, finally to 30 children. All these children called him Otto Anna. They respected him like their father. For them, he was not only a driver, he was a guide. He was a savior. He was their family. Helping 30 children was not easy. His income was still small. He had his own family too. But he sacrificed. He never wasted money on luxuries. He never bought new clothes for himself. He never ate in hotels. Every rupee was used for education. Sometimes his family argued with him. They said, "Why are you spending on other people's children? What about us?" But Otto Anna explained, "Education is the biggest gift. If I give education, I give life. These children will build their own future." At first, people ignored him. They thought, he is just a poor driver. What can he do? But slowly, his work was noticed. Teachers respected him. Parents thanked him. Local newspapers wrote about him. People from Chennai began to call him the auto driver with a golden heart. Some NGOs also supported him. But still, most of the expense came from his own pocket. The children studied well. Some passed high school. Some entered college. One became an engineer. One became a nurse. One started working in a bank. Every time a child succeeded, Otto Anna felt proud. His eyes filled with tears. He said, "I could not study, but now my children are studying. This is my real success." People asked him, "Why do you do this? Why do you spend your money on other people's children?" He always gave a simple answer. He said, "Education changed my pain into power. I don't want others to feel the pain I felt. If a poor child studies, he can change his family. He can change society. He can change the nation." Lessons from his life. The story of Otto Anna teaches us: 1. You don't need to be rich to help others. 2. One person's kindness can change many lives. 3. Education is the most powerful gift. 4. Sacrifice brings real happiness. 5. True wealth is not in money, but in hearts you touch. Today, many of the 30 children are grown up. They are living with dignity. They remember their Otto Anna. They respect him as their second father. For them, he was not only a driver, he was a hero. He was a role model. He was a legend. This is the story of Chennai's Otto Anna, a man who proved that even with a small income, you can make a big difference. His message is simple. If you cannot feed 100 children, feed one. If you cannot educate 100 children, educate one. Do what you can. Every drop creates an ocean.
How did you like the story? Let us know in the comments below. For more such videos, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.